Here in Seattle, one truck is serving up some hot and delicious food with a special twist. Chicken Fix creates its menu with a simple philosophy: make great dishes using great ingredients. Combining their backgrounds, Mary and her husband John Rudd have created a menu that's both simple and diverse with bold and incredible flavors.
My husband, his family does the American style of fried chicken.
Okay.
And then I wanted to introduce the Filipino food like the lumpia and the adobo because we wanted people to really try American and Filipino dishes.
Yes, so that sounds fun. And just the way that you're incorporating your different cultures and styles.
Today's special, a macaroni salad, but with a Filipino twist using pineapple, green peppers, and Washington-grown Fuji apples. But before I get to try it, let's see what those here in Seattle think of it.
Yeah, that's pretty tasty.
Heavenly divine. Very good.
Nice and creamy, a little mild. You know, got a little bit of veggies.
Taste the apples?
You taste the apples?
I taste the cheese.
Okay.
Oh, I just got a chunk of apple.
Never had any macaroni with apple.
And so this is Filipino macaroni salad. Tried and true.
Yes, it is.
There you go. There's all the proof you need.
Yeah, it's fruity. It's fresh. That's really nice. Yeah.
I'm going to finish this.
Even though you got another one coming. Well, you can always save the other one for later.
It's pretty tasty. Can I keep this?
Yes, you can keep that. That's yours, Sam.
Sounds good. Thanks, Tomás.
Awesome. Thank you. This is the macaroni salad that everybody is raving about. Now, hey, I'm going to be honest with you. I've never been a fan of macaroni salad.
Well, I'm hoping you like this one.
So I'm
This one has
excited.
a little bit of everything.
All right, you ready? Here we go. You made me a believer. And I love that sweetness of the pineapple.
Yes.
But then you get that bite of the green pepper.
Yes.
And there's this fun little like teeter-totter
It's a
effect.
crunch.
If I'm ever going to make macaroni salad, I got to do it like this.
Yeah? All right, well, if you need the recipe, call me.